Hey everyone, welcome back to FLUIX's channel. I'm Abhi, and today we're going to discuss 5 different ways you can increase the performance of your PC, workstation, or server. Before we continue, just so our audience knows, our team at FLUIX specializes in increasing the performance of workstations and servers by up to 25% through our turbulent liquid cooling technologies. If you're a system integrator or part of a high-performance computer manufacturing business, you can check out our Turbulent AIO liquid coolers on our website, FLUIXPro.com. If you fill out the contact information on our site, we will even send you out a demo unit that you can test out. Now, back to the video. Step number 1 to increase the performance of your workstation. Set the fan/pump curve in the BIOS to optimize for performance or noise level. This is incredibly important to optimize cooling performance for the specific software that your clients will be using. For our example, on our 12th gen Turbulent AIOs, we ask our clients to operate the pump at 100%. They're quiet enough, and we want to make sure that we have the highest flow rate because of how quickly Alder Lake CPUs can climb in temperature. For fans, we usually optimize for noise level. Step number 2, make sure to cover the full IHS of your CPU during thermal paste application for a no compromises approach. Also, make sure to use coolers that cover the full IHS. In modern day HPC processors, it is not enough to just cover the center cores. It is called an integrated heat spreader for a reason. Heat will spread to the outer areas of the IHS during intensive workloads. You can increase thermal gains during intensive processing with the full IHS covered in thermal paste and an even mounting pressure from your cooler. Step number 3, pick the right parts for your client. We've seen so many computer manufacturers overbuild for their clients. Qualify your clients for what software they'll be using and pick the parts that are necessary for that software. Do not overbuild. For example, using dual threadrippers that have a high heat output and a small server chassis is not necessary when you can use dual EPYC processors with a lower frequency but a much lower TDP. It's easier to manage the thermals on EPYC rather than Threadripper. Step number 4, follow systems maintenance logs and schedules. If you're a computer manufacturer, you should be sending alerts to customers of how often a PC or workstation should be cleaned, maintained, sent back for servicing, or bleeded and refilled if it's liquid cooled. Clients will feel taken care of if they know how to service their computers. Step number 5, as a niche computer manufacturer, you have the responsibility to offer the client system refreshes and upgrades during the lifespan of the product. Offer a RAM upgrade. Do they have enough storage? Make sure to service the customer during the lifespan of the product and not after 3 years. So many times we see computer manufacturers neglect the customer after the sale. Make sure to service them during the lifespan of the product. You can increase the performance of your product by offering system refreshes and upgrades to the client even after the sale. So those were 5 steps to increase the performance of your product as a computer manufacturer. And remember, if you want to increase the performance of your server or workstation by up to 25%, contact us at FLUIXPro.com. Our TRI-SWIFT Turbulent Liquid Coolers can elevate the performance of servers by up to 25%, leading to lower CPU temperatures, higher sustained processing speeds, and lower wasted cooling energy. Check us out at FLUIXPro.com, fill out the contact information, and we'll send you out a demo unit for testing. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to click the like button, make sure to leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.